Hello, sir. How are you? Good. I think, is this okay?
An opening prayer first before I say anything. So think man, you know how to tell the opening prayer. Amon. Cancel Amon at it.
That's Shavi. Mukama hangata tokusima twakwebaza bwizoberi tukusimira ensami ndio basagwano tereza tukushima no kwasagwano irembera utu astegerize spice dano kamisi omwanya oguna timu yeyona kandi tukusimira n'abanyamakuru bona abo basakureto omwanya ogo bakabasa kumisiriza makegesha beka press conference ejo baze kugiherezo mu kisha kandi kigenderwa cyane tubasebura mu ko kisebekanise.
In Western Uganda we have bloggers, we have influencers, so industry Western Uganda nakateliwa era sawa zino muntu wa mukoboli kiduke emisinde jotamayina kumanya muwendo. This side I have Ambroy. Ambroy is one of our most trending artists here. I know him Bunji Bunyuma. Here is the youngest DJ from Mbarara. It's called DJ Swai. DJ Wafe. Then next to you is one of our singers of Manyi Nakaimbake Kaimbane Tipo Commando. This side we have also Team Spice Dana, one of your representatives from this side. She's called Kisha. I don't know how to present Spice Dana. So, agenda afegenda kubera nyangu nnyo. Naye ngenda kusaba omwana yakoze ku byokunywa na mawulire bano betaga okunyumya nga obanywamu. So ekiri batuyisizemu amazzi ne busoda nga otunywa. Okulya asikati. So katunyumye. Shukrani. Shukran. So I have a person who is representing Capital FM. So gunaliagadde at least atuwe ekigambo before we go far on behalf of Capital.
Yeah.
Can I have you speak something, speaker?
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Edwin from Speak Events. I'm representing Capital Radio. I'm the ambassador, Mbarara. Spice Dana, you're most welcome to your second home. We love you in Mbarara. And as Capital FM, we pledge it to support you, not only in Kampala, but everywhere you go. And we don't only stop at supporting Kampala artists, but also from Mbarara or Western region. Healthy Baby, your song is played everywhere on Capital FM and Kiss FM as well. So as Capital representative, we thank you for the good music. We thank you for the concert that just happened in Kampala. It was very awesome. And on behalf of Speak Events, I have a question for you. Yes, you gave it all. We saw the production in Kampala, it was on point. And the hype was very big. It's like the hype in Mbarara is not that big, yet we have only 2 days to go. And we are in January. What are you going to do in 2 days with your team to make sure you pull up the crowds? First of all, you're in a bigger venue. University Inn is not a joke. It's actually one of the biggest venues we have in Mbarara. And we have 2 days, but the hype, tenabera, you know, waguruguru, ewulaulamo. And then two, you used the arts events. That production was really very nice. It was amazing. And performances. What do you have for us as your second home? Mbarara is probably second biggest city after Kampala. We also expect really such production. Thank you very much, and we wish you the very best on behalf of Capital Radio.
Speaker Kutenga Zaman Nonga. Eva machi atuvuga mu speed. Agenda yoruka hii agenda first. Iyo buzo. We're supposed to have questions last. Kwa kado cha chiriyo muunda kujanda ne kubaza kachihuza. So thank you so much, Speak Events. We're supposed to have MTN, but I think they will find us on the way. And of course, me MC Kachechi Mwana Mumanya, their team, I'm not one is Spice Dana, so I'm going to take this opportunity. I think Mbarara. nzagamba nka team source management Roger yampe omulimu nyina okubeera nze spokesperson so wabatali wadde walire kati nze mba spokesperson wabeera wonna. So on behalf of source management, first and foremost mwekubira engalo z'amaanyi okuwagira Spice Dana nga banyambala bumwagadde nnyo. Nali Kampala nalaba abaana bava Mbarara ne bajja okuwagira Pukit Oval. Me, I was there, I worked on that day. Nange nali omu ku ba MC wa stage n'inkola omwana w'Emba ne presenting ya Spice yagamba kachecha alina okubeera ku stage eyo. Baliwo ba MC bangi abanene babagamba kachecha alina okubeera ku stage eyo. And I represented you very well. And source management, you're organizing an event in Nunji for abaliyo. Twali kina bendia stage kabagambira. But right now you're team Kampala and Los Angeles. Because Kandia stage nerewe kanka Los Angeles. So source management yakola show Nunji. The Kampala production was good, security was good. There's more yakwa abantu abalwana bakola chi bena byagenda bulungi. And we expect to do the same in Mbarara. The reason why Spice Dan is here is to let you know Sikulimba Sikuchi Saturday ali Mbarara ku University Inn. Of course ebisinga genda byogera sigenda byogera byonna naye on behalf y'enkomi Mbarara ninga source management ndia kubeeta olwa mukaaga mwije muhajire mwana witu OMUSHESHE. I was talking to one of the organizers of events in town bamwita Gonzaga nangamba kakawala kaina art mungi nnyo stage gye watukolera Mbarara yasembayo yayitebera nkomo Mbarara yalina biscreens bichinga tayina kontundubale nga nnungi nnyo kati yalabe Kampala n'agamba ndozoba katagenda tukolera kyembalala toka predicting akobo oli awolola kabasuddeko ekintu. So Mbarara kulinze they are very eager, they are waiting, they can't wait for Saturday to come and support you. Of course abadde busy nnyo naye yagambye mu press conference zengenda okuddamu okukola apart from Kampala ngenda kukola ey'Embarara. So tukikubira engalo z'amaanyi abadde so alina Mityana alina Ruwel naye yagambye press conference zengenda okukola just avuze emmotoka ave Kampala ajja akola press conference amaladdeyo. This is how blessed Mbarara we are. Ate ne Spice bali nnyo kutwagala ng'Abanyambarara otufuddeko nnyo ndoza omuyimba so sero tuwa kolaba ate n'agipushinga CMCBD. You've seen the OMUSHESHE. It introduced our boy to so many other media platforms that between you Spice. So for us on Saturday we're here to give you back, support you because we love you. Abanyankole bakwagala ate no bakumanyi oli munyankole oli OMUSHESHE. So on Saturday be rest assured that tugenda ku supportinga tukolaba omukwano. So at this moment njagala kutwala akakisa. I give 1 minute to our artists or 2-3 minutes, but really what they expect from them. So we're going to talk on Saturday, and what does it mean to be on the same platform as Spice Dana on Saturday? Thank you. Let me start with Ambroy.
Selecta, kuluta ningale kaleba. Nina mani, noza kuchiriza ngo nina mani. Nina mani, noza kukakasa ngo nina mani.